Tiramisu Cake, a decadent Italian delight. Introduction. Tiramisu cake is a delightful blend of coffee-soaked sponge cake layers, creamy mascarpone filling, and a dusting of cocoa powder. This cake captures all the flavors of traditional tiramisu in a beautiful and easy-to-make cake. Perfect for special occasions or a family treat, this recipe is sure to impress. Ingredients. For the cake: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ cup milk. For the coffee syrup: 1 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons coffee liqueur, optional for the mascarpone filling, 1½ cups mascarpone cheese, room temperature, 1 cup heavy cream, ½ cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For assembly: cocoa powder for dusting, dark chocolate shavings, optional. Equipment: mixing bowls, electric mixer, 9-inch round cake pans, 2, parchment paper, spatula, pastry brush. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Prepare the cake. 1. Preheat oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line the bottom of 2 9-inch round cake pans with parchment paper and grease the sides. 2. Combine dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. 3. Cream butter and sugar. In a separate bowl, beat the softened butter and granulated sugar together until light and fluffy. 4. Add eggs and vanilla. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then add the vanilla extract. 5. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the milk, until just combined. 6. Bake. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared pans and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool completely. Step 2. Prepare the coffee syrup. 1. Mix coffee and sugar in a bowl. Combine the brewed coffee, granulated sugar, and coffee liqueur, if using. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Set aside to cool. Step 3. Prepare the mascarpone filling. 1. Beat mascarpone. In a mixing bowl, beat the mascarpone cheese until smooth. 2. Whipped cream. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream with the powdered sugar and vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. 3. Combine. Gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone cheese until well combined and smooth. Step 4. Assemble the cake. 1. Soak cake layers. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate. Use a pastry brush to soak the layer with the coffee syrup. 2. Spread filling. Spread half of the mascarpone filling over the soaked cake layer. 3. Repeat. Place the second cake layer on top, soak with the remaining coffee syrup, and spread the remaining mascarpone filling over the top and sides of the cake. 4. Dust and decorate. Dust the top of the cake generously with cocoa powder and garnish with dark chocolate shavings if desired. Story behind tiramisu cake. Tiramisu, which means pick-me-up in Italian, is a popular dessert that originated in the Veneto region of Italy. This cake version captures the essence of traditional tiramisu: layers of coffee-soaked Savoiardi biscuits, mascarpone cream, and cocoa, while presenting it in a more structured and elegant form. It's perfect for celebrations and brings a touch of Italian flair to your table. Serving tips. With coffee, serve slices of tiramisu cake with a hot cup of espresso or cappuccino for an authentic Italian experience. For dessert, pair it with a scoop of vanilla gelato or a drizzle of coffee liqueur. For celebrations, garnish with chocolate-covered coffee beans or edible gold flakes for an extra touch of elegance. Best beverage pairing. A glass of sweet Marsala wine or a rich, robust espresso pairs beautifully with the flavors of tiramisu cake. For a non-alcoholic option, try a creamy latte or a hot chocolate. Nutritional information: per serving calories, 400. Total fat, 25 grams. Saturated fat, 15 grams. Cholesterol, 120 milligrams. Sodium, 150 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 38 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Sugars, 25 grams. Protein, 5 grams. Final thoughts. There you have it, a decadent tiramisu cake that's perfect for any special occasion. With its layers of coffee-soaked cake and creamy mascarpone filling, this dessert is sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy the baking process, and most importantly, savor every delicious bite of your homemade tiramisu cake. Happy baking, and may your kitchen be filled with the sweet aroma of success.
Much for watching. To not miss any further recipe or cooking plan, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you at the next yummy cooking idea.